If heaven on earth exists, it's here at this iconic beachfront villa in Tulum.
Here is a rare opportunity to own one of the very few villas located directly on the beach in the iconic Tulum Hotel Zone. Casa Chic is more than a property. It is a feeling and a promise of endless memories shared with friends and family that stays with you long after you leave this special place. Boasting over 80 feet of pristine beachfront, this private villa offers extraordinary space and privacy. The main residence features 5 bedrooms with ensuite, an expansive beachfront pool, and generous indoor and outdoor living areas designed for effortless entertainment. Additionally, there is a 2-bedroom guest villa also with ensuite. This private oasis captures the serenity of Tulum's past, the epitome of eco-chic luxury. Perfectly tucked away from the vibrant beach clubs, yet close enough so you can stroll along the shoreline to world-class restaurants and nightlife. This mesmerizing villa is pure magic, with warm turquoise seas kissing the powdery white sand beach, a true sanctuary where days unfold under endless sunshine and nights sparkle beneath the canopy of stars. More than a financial investment, this extraordinary property is a lasting legacy investment in your dreams, your lifestyle, and your quality of life.
For more information about this incredible property, please reach out.